morning student, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to solve numerical of admission in this video. To perform numerical solution, we need to create a revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. For example, question number 62 from T.S. Grewal. Their balance sheet of Madhu and Vidhi is given at the profit sharing ratio 2:3. Madhu's capital 5,20,000, Vidhi's capital 3 lakh, general reserve is 30,000, bills payable rupees 1,50,000. Land and building 3 lakh, machinery 2,80,000, stock 80,000, debtors 3 lakh and provision for bad debt 10,000. Bank account rupees 50,000. Madhu and Vidhi decided to admit Gayatri as a new partner from 1st April 2016 and their new profit sharing ratio will be 2:3:5. Gayatri brought rupees 4 lakh as her share of capital and her share of goodwill premium in cash. Firm's goodwill is rupees 3 lakh. Land and building was found undervalued by rupees 26,000. Provision for doubtful debt was to be made equal to 5% of debtors. There was a claim of 6,000 on account of workmen compensation. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Firstly, we do the working note. Madhu and Vidhi are partner in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:3. They admitted Gayatri as a new partner. Then their new ratio will be 2:3:5. It means Gayatri's share will be 5/10. Gayatri bring capital rupees 4 lakh. And she bring his share of premium in cash. But how much amount she bring as a premium, that one is not given. From goodwill rupees 3 lakh. So we calculate the premium of or share of Gayatri's premium of Gayatri is 5/10 of 3 lakh, that is 1,50,000. So Gayatri will bring premium rupees 1,50,000. We know that premium distributed in sacrificing ratio. So firstly we calculate the sacrificing ratio with the help of old and new ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. M sacrificing share means Madhu's sacrificing share is 2/5 minus 2/10. Vidhi's sacrificing is 3/5 minus 3/10. That is 2/10 and 3/10. So sacrificing ratio is 2:3. Goodwill distributed in Vidhi and Madhu in 2:3. Share of Madhu is equal to 1,50,000 into 2/5 and share of Vidhi is equal to 1,50,000 into 3/5. That is 60,000 and 90,000. Now we will prepare revaluation account. Particulars amount, debit and that one is credit. Given that the price of land and building was found undervalued by rupees 26,000 and we have to increase its value, that's why it comes in credit side of revaluation account. According to nature of revaluation account, all the expenses and losses are debit and income and gain are credit. So we write here buy land and building 26,000. Second thing is provision for doubtful debt was to be made to equal to 5% of the debtors. Total debtors are given 3 lakh rupees. So 5% of 3 lakh is 15,000. Provision is given in question is 10,000, but actually provision was made for debtor is rupees 15,000. It means increase in liability. Provision is a liability. Increase in liability. That one comes in debit side of revaluation account. So we will write here to provision for bad debt is rupees 5,000. Next one point is there was a claim for 6,000 on account of WCR, or that is workman compensation. Workman compensation reserve is not given in question. It means only increase the liability. So increase in liability written in debit side of revaluation account. To workman compensation claim is rupees 6,000. The sum of credit side is rupees 26,000 and sum of debit side is rupees only 11,000. So there will become to profit transfer. Balancing figure is to profit transfer to partners capital account. Profit distributed in old partner ratio, that is old ratio is 2 ratio, old ratio 2 ratio 3. So 26,000 minus 11,000 is equal to 15,000. 15,000 will distributed in 2 ratio 3, that is 6,000 and 9,000. Next one is partners capital account. In partners capital account, there are 3 partners. So format is particular, Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri, that one new partner, and same as credit side, particulars, Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri. That is a partner capital account. So firstly we have to written here capital, that is which one comes from balance sheet. That's why written by balance brought down. So Madhu's capital is 5,20,000 and Vidhi's capital is 2 lakh. And new partner bring capital in cash. That's why here written by cash account of new partner capital. New partner is Gayatri. Gayatri will bring the capital of rupees 4 lakh. Next one entry is for premium. Premium distributed in sacrificing ratio. So entry will be premium account debit to sacrificing partner. So by premium it will be written 60,000 and 90,000 in Madhu and Gayatri's account. Then after here in revaluation account we calculate the profit of partner that will be distributed in credit side of partner's capital account. That amount will come from revaluation account. That's why here written by revaluation account, that is profit or gain. Amount 6,000 of Madhu and 9,000 of Vidhi. Reserve is given rupees 30,000. It will be distributed in old partners old ratio. So entry will be by reserve, that is amount 30,000. It will be distributed in old profit sharing ratio. So amount will be and 18,000. In asset side, no one amount is given. That will be accumulated losses or goodwill or book goodwill. That one is not given in asset side. That's why it was done. Now we have to calculate the balancing figure, that is the capital balance of each partner to balance carried down, that will be transferred to balance sheet. That's why here written balance carried down. Total of credit side of Madhu is rupees 5,98,000 and nothing is given in debit side. That's why the balancing figure is 5,98,000. Total of Vidhi is 4,17,000. So balancing figure is 4,17,000. Total of Gayatri is 4 lakh. Balancing figure is 4 lakh. That was the new capital of all three partners. 5,98,000, 4,17,000 and 4 lakh. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. There are two sides: liability amount, assets amount. In previous balance sheet, Madhu's capital is given, Vidhi's capital is given, general reserve is given and bills payable is given. General reserve already distributed. Madhu and Vidhi's capital are changed. And bills payable. Firstly, we have to write here bills payable. That is rupees 1,50,000. Then after capital of all three partners, which one comes from capital account, that is balance CD, is 5,98,000, 4,17,000 and 4 lakh. Whose capital is 5,98,000, Vidhi's capital 4,17,000 and Gayatri capital is rupees 4 lakh. The sum of all total capital is 14,15,000. One more thing is given in question, that is provision for liability. That one claim on workman compensation reserve, that is rupees 6,000. That will increase the liability. So here written claim on WCR. That one is, how much amount is there? 6,000. Now asset side, first thing is land and building. Land and building is rupees 3 lakh. It increased by 26,000. So new value is 3,26,000. That is land and building increased by 26,000. Second one thing is machinery. No changes are given here. Machinery. So amount is 2,80,000. Next one thing is stock. Stock of rupees 80,000. Debtors. All debtors are rupees 3 lakh and provision is rupees 10,000, but in question here given 5% provision on debtors. So 5% of 3 lakh is 15,000. Now debtors reduced by 15,000. So amount will be 2,85,000. Next one thing is given is bank. Bank balance is given rupees 50,000. New partner bring his capital in cash or bank. That one amount is rupees 4 lakh. C will bring premium in cash. That is also increases cash. That one amount is 1,50,000. So total amount of bank is rupees 6 lakh. Now total of balance sheet is 15,71,000. 15,71,000. That is the full question of partnership at the time of new partner admission.